Hi guys, welcome to a new day, new vlog. Today there's no plan for this vlog. I just randomly thought let's just vlog a no plan day. Like I'm also feeling a little blah, I would say today. So there's definitely no plan in my head. I don't know what I'll do. It's just that it's 2:15 currently and I'm going to the studio. Baby's at a studio. I think we'll have something interesting to do. At least we'll have a few meetings or something. It's just a very blah vlog day. Blah blah blah. Oof. It's a very blah vlog day. So let's just get through it. The weather today is looking so good, guys. It's a little fun update, guys. Actually, while I was driving, so I just randomly called baby just to ask, like give him updates, ask where are you, and I've just left and everything. And he just told me that he came to Tapri with the boys. So Tapri is this very famous cafe in Jaipur, like it's favorite. Like if all the chai lovers, they cannot miss Tapri in Jaipur. So he told me he's just here, and as per my daily route to the studio, I do cross Tapri every single day. So I just thought I'll come there and hi, give a hi to baby that I'm here. I'm not joining the boys, I'll just little things, guys. I think baby is baby is here. One second, let's use the 5x zoom so I can see you. Hi. So guys, little change of plans. I went to the studio, had my lunch, and while I was having lunch, mom called me and told me there's this very pretty exhibition happening nearby. So I've just come there. Let's see how it is. It's kind of pretty and there's a lot of home decor which I really wanted to buy. So let's see how it is. So the exhibition is happening at the Birla Auditorium, Jaipur. It's pretty famous and now even more famous for all these exhibitions, like the lifestyle, food and stuff. This is the exhibition. I just got my entry ticket. It's for around, 1 second guys, 60. It's for around 60 bucks. I just bought it. Oh my god, looks pretty crowded also though. Let's just go in and see what's it all about. Guys, I met mom and this is the store she's talking about. Hi, how are you?
Very well.
Guys, this is my favorite stall at Aspiration Exhibition. I buy a lot of home decor from here always. Mom is so happy. After spending almost 1 hour at the home decor stall, now we're exploring the other ones. Where's mom? Mom is very happy today. Mom, happy? Oh, home decor again. Wow. Now we are at this very pretty ethnic wear table. Finally, we are going back. We did a lot of shopping and now we are going back. Mama, happy? इतनी shopping करके तो happy?
बहुत happy.
Exhibition आके happy या shopping करके happy?
दोनों में happy.
चलिए, now let's go back to work, to business. The biggest achievement for me is that Mama is sitting with me while I drive. Like she never said she's very scared. So, Mom, अब मेरी driving कैसी लग रही है आपको?
बहुत अच्छी लग रही है.
Confidence आया अभी?
बहुत. अब तो आ गया साक्षी है ना, आता जा रहा है, बढ़ता जा रहा है, मतलब लेवल कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ रहा है.
So sweet.
साक्षी.
Back to work. Edits now. I came to the studio and baby was not here. Baby went for
Meeting.
I was about to say exhibition. Sorry, meeting. How was your meeting, baby?
Meeting is nice. Good.
Worked well. And now we have one more meeting. Wow. Happy day. Productive, happy day.
Surprise, blow Sakshi ko
Going home while I edit the
Oh,
new
Sakshi aa gayi,
vlog.
Sakshi. Big surprise for you.
Finally going home.
Finally, first cake cut.
Tired. And the day was actually a little blah.
And-
It's 8:15 p.m. Although the exhibition time was fun time, but I don't know.
And
Today is like okayish day for me.
कैसा feel कर रही हो आप?
And then there's so much traffic also.
Very good.
Baby, how
Very
was your
surprised.
day today?
30 days. Very hectic day.
आई डोंट नो व्हाई,
I know I'm
क्योंकि
cute.
बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ ऐसा कुछ था नहीं, बट पता नहीं, बट आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर द डिनर.
Which will be Chila.
Yes.
Yes. See you
But
later.
maybe you went Tapri
Good night.
today, so your day has to be good. See guys, वो
Just check
Tapri
email,
की
lunch
चाय
करता
की
हूँ.
स्माइल देखिए.
Tapri की चाय and guacamole chaat and
Hi guys, welcome back
vada
to our
pav and
actually,
Cheese
आज
corn
है
balls.
cheese corn balls and Maggie's.
And Sakshi का
Maggie's
birthday है 16th of August.
Garlic bread also, no? You had
garlic
garlic.
bread, pav
And,
bhaji.
साक्षी को कुछ आइडिया भी नहीं है कि मैं
And
क्या
guys,
surprise plan कर रहा हूँ.
he's
मैं
on a
क्या करने
diet.
वाला हूँ. And
और उसके बाद
साक्षी नॉर्मली मेरा वेट कर रही है.
साक्षी गुस्सा नहीं हो जाए इसलिए दाल चावल.
So actually आज ऑफिस में भी बहुत ज़्यादा काम था.
Because मैं lunch ले आई थी and I had no idea that he's going out for lunch. So he has to eat it. Double dinner. मुझे मूवी याद आई. रब ने बना दी जोड़ी. When he has like double dinner. We've almost reached home and I don't think I will be vlogging this anymore because I'm kind of done for the day. Day was blah, guys. You know it was blah, and I don't know why, because you know there are some days when you don't have like a specific reason, but you just feel a little okayish. There are both highs and lows, so it's the thing. And I just, you know, the only reason I vlogged today was because I don't want to be only showing my best to you guys, like the best days, ooh, full energy, clock it. No, guys, we do have certain days which are like blah, and even I think baby had a okay sort of a day today, so it's okay to have such days. The best is what you do to feel better then. Like for me, I think it's gonna be having my favorite chila and taking like a bath salt shower, just getting some sleep, early sleep, or spending some time with Muffin, going for a walk and everything. I think that will make me feel much better and I can get up feeling so much better the other day. So for now I think that will be it for this video. ये ज्ञान मैंने ऐसे ही दे दिया है, free में दे दिया है, please ले लीजिए, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, good night.